In this video, I will be demonstrating how we export and deploy an IIS hosted website. Before starting, you will need to ensure you have the latest version of the CloudHouse IIS export template. Before we start the process, we will go over some basic functions of the IIS site on the Source 2008 VM. We can recreate these steps once we have deployed our package on the new target machine. Next up, we will open IIS Manager and take note of our app pools and the name of the site. The site name will be important when it comes to our export. Here we have two app pools, Connect Server and Default App Pool. Our site is called Default Website. Now we have that information at hand, we can start the process of exporting our site. First, we will extract our template. The key script here is export.iis.bat. This is what is used to export our site content. We will launch a CMD prompt as an administrator and change the directory to where we extracted our template. We will then run the export.iis.bat script and pass through the name of our site, which was Default Website. This will extract the relevant site information and generate a list of all the Windows features on this machine. These features will then be deployed alongside our final package later on. Now that has exported, I will identify the package I want to merge my exported IIS site with. In this case, I have pre-made OpenText SQL package. To merge our changes, we will go back to our template and run fuse IIS to package.bat as administrator. A window will appear. Here, we select the package to merge our IIS changes with. As mentioned, we will select the package folder OpenText SQL. Once that has finished running, we will see our exported site in our package. We can also check within our deployment script.xml, where we will see an entry that will handle the IIS deployment. Now we have our final package, we can deploy to our target machine in the normal way. As you can see, the package is deploying all of the Windows features that were detected on our source machine. Please note, however, that .NET 3.5 will need to be installed separately. Now that our package has successfully been deployed, we can confirm our site is present by checking in the IIS Manager. As you will see, we have our two app pools and our IIS site. Finally, we can launch our site and run through the same steps we ran on our source machine.